So guys, we're out here camping, and there's already an existing fire pit here, but it's not the greatest, so I'm going to show you guys how to kind of improve it, how to make a better fire pit so it's safer and more efficient. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dig it out a little bit, make that hole a little bit deeper, so that way the airflow is good and also helps a little bit from the flame and the wind. It's a little breezy here in Wyoming, so, and then I'm probably going to rearrange these rocks here a little bit better, make a little bit better of a wall. So, and that should give us a good fire pit. We should have a nice campfire. Let's get started, shall we?
Making a fire pit and building a campfire in the wild is really quite simple. All you need is a shovel and a lighter, and the woods will provide the rest. Never leave home without a shovel. I usually start out by digging around an 8-inch hole about 2 feet in diameter. That should give you enough space for a good fire and enough depth to keep the flames out of the direct wind, which is very common here in western Wyoming. Then I gather up some rocks to make a nice wall around the pit. Rocks are also easy to come by in Sublette County.
All right, that should do. And then I can use the dirt. Can you see? I can use the dirt to put the fire out. And keep the fire burning, keep it from blowing. Should be nice.
Once the fire pit is complete, the fun begins and it's time to make the fire. We always find it funny to see people buy firewood at the grocery store or the gas station when the forest provides everything you need to make a nice campfire. Not to mention you are helping clean the forest floor to prevent future forest fires. All you need is a little bit of brush and needles from the forest floor and a few dry twigs. If that doesn't get her started, then a little bit of toilet paper and some hand sanitizer sure will. From there, you just have to look around and gather old dead limbs lying around. Around here, they're not hard to find.
There you go. We have fire. Doesn't do justice. All right. Pretty nice fire pit.
Thanks y'all for watching. Please be sure to leave a like and a comment, and please make sure to subscribe. It really helps us out. Thanks y'all. Have a great day. Peace.
Last night we had a campfire and I dug out a little pit for it, so it's all burnt out now, but it could still be a little warm, so I'm just going to take the dirt that I used, put it right back in the pit. That'll smother the fire, and that way we can leave and don't have to worry about burning the forest down.